René Descartes, 1596–1650, was a French philosopher, mathematician, and scientist known for his foundational contributions to both philosophy and mathematics. He is often referred to as the father of modern philosophy, and played a significant role in shaping the course of Western thought during the early modern period. Descartes' most famous philosophical statement is, cogito, ergo sum, I think, therefore I am, which he introduced in his work, Meditations on First Philosophy, 1641. This statement reflects his method of radical doubt, where he sought to doubt everything that could be doubted in order to arrive at certain knowledge. He used this method to establish a foundation of knowledge built upon self-awareness and the existence of a thinking self. Descartes was also a key figure in the development of Cartesian dualism, the idea that the mind and body are distinct substances. According to his philosophy, the mind, or soul, is immaterial and distinct from the material body, and the interaction between the two was a long-standing philosophical problem. In mathematics, Descartes is renowned for developing the Cartesian coordinate system, which revolutionized geometry and algebra by providing a way to represent geometric shapes and equations numerically. This invention laid the groundwork for analytic geometry, a field that connects algebra and geometry. Some of his notable works include Discourse on the Method, 1637. In this work, Descartes outlines his method of doubt and provides a foundation for his scientific and philosophical pursuits. Meditations on First Philosophy, 1641, a series of philosophical meditations where Descartes seeks to establish a secure foundation for knowledge based on his method of doubt. Principles of Philosophy, 1644, an exposition of his philosophical ideas, including his views on metaphysics, epistemology, and the nature of the physical world. Meditations on the First Philosophy, in which the existence of God and the distinction of the soul from the body are demonstrated, 1641, part of his Meditations. This work focuses on proving the existence of God and defending the dualism of mind and body. Descartes' ideas had a profound impact on subsequent philosophy, science, and mathematics, and his influence can be seen in the works of philosophers like Spinoza and Leibniz, as well as in the development of modern scientific methodology.